Hey everyone, at VCS, I Am 3 booth, sponsored by VCS this year. We're joined by Dr. Zeng from San Gabriel. Welcome. Thanks for joining us.
You're welcome.
How's the show going so far?
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Cool. Tell us about yourself. Tell us about your practice.
Okay. My practice, our practice is named Royal Medical Aesthetic Group. Okay. We're a practice basically based in LA, San Gabriel.
Cool.
And we also have branch in Irvine, and we're branching more in Arcadia. Okay.
Beautiful.
So we've been doing med spa for the last 10 years, and most of our practice are focusing on facial sculpting. Okay, and so we use fillers, different fillers, both, and also toxin.
Okay.
And as well as lasers.
Beautiful.
And also a bulk of our practice also involved in lipo fat graft.
Nice.
As well as the stem cell treatment. So,
wow.
We have a wide range, but our main focus is the face.
Okay.
Okay. Myself, I consider I'm an artist before.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm very
Absolutely.
interested.
I mean, it's a very artistic profession. Yeah.
Yeah. Right. So we do facial sculpting. Especially we have certain programs that is really popular, such as we call whole face inclusive.
Okay.
So we give a whole face sculpting, either with fillers, with fat, with stem cell, with one all-inclusive price.
Nice.
A lot of
so it's
people,
kind of like a full facial transformation type thing for one inclusive package. Cool.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. Awesome. Well, so we're here at VCS. Is this your first time here at VCS, or have you been here before?
I've been here a couple of times.
Okay. What do you love most about this show?
Okay. The most I like is I can pick because there are three to four, conference going on.
Yeah.
And I pick the one I wanted.
Right.
So that way I use my time efficiently, and don't waste my time. So everybody has their own interest. So
so this show is multi-specialty. So there's doctors, all kinds of different doctors here.
Sure.
What do you like most about that? Is that valuable to you?
Yeah. So my main focus is mostly related to the microsurgery, fillers, and fat graft, lipo graft. So.
Okay.
That's my focus, and sometimes I go to other meetings just for fat, stem cell.
Right.
But for this meeting, I think it's very good. A lot of practitioners like me, they have detailed technique that I can learn from them, and also exchange informations. Yeah.
Great. Beautiful. All right, cool. Let's pivot here for a little bit. I'll ask you some personal questions just about yourself. We'll get to know you a little bit.
Sure.
Get some stuff so your patients can learn a little more about you, stuff they may not know already. What's your favorite color?
Green.
You like sports?
My sports, golf.
Golf, nice. You have a favorite golfer?
Favorite? I have many, but I have many, but maybe Tiger Woods.
Yeah, absolutely, mine too. Are you a good golfer?
I'm average.
Okay, right on. What's the last thing you watched on TV?
What last time?
What's the last thing you watched on TV?
Last time I watched TV?
Yeah, what'd you watch?
I don't watch TV actually.
Okay.
To be honest too.
It's not a bad thing.
It's
not a whole lot of good stuff
haven't
on
watched
TV
TV
anymore.
for many years.
Okay. So what do you like to do with your spare time then?
My spare time, I like to watch, news, documentary. That's my favorite.
Cool.
History.
Yeah, history. Cool. Why did you get into cosmetics?
Well, that's a good question. Actually, I grew up wanted to be an artist, and so I do since elementary school. I draw. I do oil.
Oh, wow.
I do sculpting in the clay.
You're kidding me.
Yeah, I mostly.
How difficult is that to sculpting? I got to imagine that's hard to learn.
You know what? Because I learned from when I was really young.
Yeah.
And my neighbor is an artist.
Okay.
That's a professor.
Okay.
So I grew up actually in a university environment.
Okay.
And where they have the art
professionals were there.
Art professional.
Yeah.
So I watched them a lot. I remember I painted with pencil. I painted a wall size, just the picture
Yeah.
of the face.
Wow.
I spent a couple of weeks. So I developed kind of patience or the passion
Right.
for the sculpting.
Sure.
So for me, it's kind of natural when I grew up. And
Yeah.
that's how I get into the aesthetic medicine. I feel
Cool.
it's pretty easy for me to understand how I can get you pretty. So that's why we have the all-inclusive program. One face, you get me, we give you 10 years younger, and we make you beautiful.
And it's all art.
Yeah.
What do you love most about your job?
What
What do you love most about what you do?
I love most is the feeling of the satisfaction from the patient. When the patient is happy, and I'm happy. So that way you feel you achieved something,
Right.
and make patient happy.
Yeah. Great. All right, last question. If you can be any kind of animal, what animal would you be?
That's a good question. Monkey?
Why?
Well, very energetic, very clever, and very open-minded, and do a lot of works.
Yeah, and very close to being like a human too, but you can climb trees.
Sure.
Cool. All right. Well, thank you, Dr. Zeng. I really appreciate you joining
Sure.
us, and have a good rest of your show.
Thank you.
You got it.